Want to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. Now let's get started. To cancel your Amazon Prime subscription, go to Amazon.com and log into your account. Click Account and Lists at the top. Then select Prime. Click Membership. Then click End Membership and Benefits. Amazon will remind you of all the benefits of your membership. If you still want to cancel your membership, click Continue to Cancel. Here you'll be able to see the date your membership will expire on. This will be whenever you would have been billed next for your Prime subscription. Click End On to cancel your membership. Once you've done this, your Prime membership will be canceled, and your access to Prime benefits will expire on the date that was specified. If you change your mind, you can renew your Prime subscription at any time. That's all it takes to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. Want to try out other online shopping sites? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.